Hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So here in a moment, I'm going to show you how you can get HBO Max on your Roku. At the time of recording this video, HBO Max is not available on your Roku streaming device. You can't go to your app store and download it. So I'm going to show you a workaround on how to do this. Now I did make a video on this before. Since then, Roku has updated their platform and made it even more simpler on how to do what I'm getting ready to show you. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab your iPhone. You're going to need an iPhone to do this with. If you're an Android user, I'm going to be looking into a way that you can do this with your Android device. But if you have an iPhone, go ahead and install HBO Max on your iPhone. Once you have that done, we're going to jump over to this next step. Okay, now it's on your iPhone. You're going to grab your remote control and we're going to go down to settings. This is going to be the first step. And then we're going to go over to System, which is all the way toward the bottom here. And then here you're going to go to System Update. Click on that and then go ahead and check now. This will get your firmware all the way up to date to the latest update that Roku is offering. And then this will now install Apple AirPlay on your Roku device unless it's already on there. So if it is, and you go ahead and update it, let's go ahead and click the home button, go back to the home screen. We're going to go back down here to settings, and then down here you'll see Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Go ahead and click on that and it'll take you to the AirPlay menu. Okay, on here you'll see over here on the right hand column you'll see AirPlay. You want to make sure that's turned on. The second says require code first time only. If you click on that, it gives you a few different options there, so do either first time only, every time, or use password. Since I'm the only one using this stick, I have it on first time only, so that's all based on personal preference. But you'll click back here, and next thing you're going to want to do is grab your iPhone. Okay, now that you have your iPhone on hand, swipe down on the top right corner just like that, and you'll see that option right there that says Screen Mirroring. Go ahead and tap on that. And when you do, there will be a list of options that come up that have AirPlay. Right there in the middle for me, it's got a Roku streaming stick. So when I tap on that, as you can see, it's now mirroring to my TV, just like that. And if you want to stop mirroring, you just press there on the bottom where it says stop mirroring. But now that it's mirroring, we're going to jump over to our HBO Max app on your iPhone. Okay, as you can see here, it's on there. I'm going to tap on the HBO Max app and it pops up just like that. Okay, now HBO Max is mirroring on your iPhone. So whenever you go to press on a movie and start playing it, it will play on landscape mode. Right now it's just in vertical mode. But when you're playing a movie, it'll play in landscape mode, and the sound will come from your TV and not from your phone. Some of these third-party apps, the sound comes from the actual iPhone. So this is a workaround on getting HBO Max on your Roku. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back on the next one. Take care.